The good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 12 from verse 35 to verse 44. The man where God pick a Ufa boy pick me. Jesus did a teaching at the yard where God house there. Him say, how come the law teacher them say the Christ and David pick me? The Holy Spirit talk through David and say, the Lord said to me, Lord say, sit down on my right hand side till me put your enemy them under your foot. If David call him Lord, or the man where God send to save people, to be David boy pick me. And the big crowd of people did happy and listen what him say. When Jesus did a teach them, him say, you see them law teacher them, watch yourself and make sure say you not come in like them. Them love walk about in a long jacket and get special Audi when they go market. And when them go to the Jew them church and go a big dinner, them love to sit down in the best seat. And them trick up the woman them who for husband dead and take with them house and land. When them done, them pray long prayer to make themselves look good. Them hell are go act. One woman who for husband dead offering. Jesus go sit down cross from where the offering box did there and watch the crowd of people where they that drop their money in the box. Enough of the rich people then put in whole heap of money. Then he see one poor woman who for husband dead put in 2 little red money where hardly worth nothing, about 2 cents. Jesus call him follower them and say to them, say, me I tell you the truth. When you see that poor woman here where her husband dead, she drop more in the offering box than all of them. Cause all of them give out of the whole heap where them have, cause them rich. But she, even though she's so poor, she get everything where she have to live off of. And God Wod Dis. Thank God.